I am gonna give you a demo of the dashboard and one door only. So you can see all this here. So this is basically doing its job. So it's gone deep in. How do you like to spend your Sunday, especially if it's a lockdown? And in DK currently there's a weekend lockdown again. So I prefer to spend some time with the car, cleaning the interior of the car, and let me show you what I'm gonna use to clean the interior of the car. Let's get in the car. So we are going to clean the entire upholstery from inside. So I have this, that is a dashboard polish by Vista Auto, and we are going to apply this across all the places here, surface, and this can be used on vinyl, plastic and rubber surfaces. So how you use it is, first ensure you clean the entire interior very well, thoroughly, so that there's no dirt or any kind of dust which is on the surface. Once that is done, then you can start using this. Spray this evenly, which I will run through the process. So first let's just ensure that we've cleaned the entire dashboard thoroughly. So you can take a regular cloth and start cleaning. And once you're satisfied that you've cleaned it very well, the next thing what you want to do is take one of this, that is dashboard polish by Vista Auto, and I'm going to show you before and after effect. So what you see now is before applying the dashboard polish. So you can see and you can use it for your door as well. So you need to clean the door as well before you use the polish. And now let's use this. So keep in mind, you have to clean your dashboard before applying this, and let's evenly apply this across the dashboard. And once applied, you'll have to let it settle for a while, and you need to have one of these cloth, which is a microfiber cloth, which is a high performance cloth, again by Vista Auto. You can use one of these, or you can use any regular cloth which you normally use to wipe your car. And you need to buff. So when you say buff, you need to actually clean or rub clockwise or anti-clockwise for a certain time point of time to ensure you clean it completely. So we will let it settle for a couple of minutes so that it deeply penetrates, and once that is done its job, we'll start doing our job. So meanwhile, let's clean the doors as well. This is one of the best way to spend your Sunday, especially if it's a lockdown and you can't even go out, meet your friends or whatever. So spend some time with your car, clean it, and show your love back to the car. And you can do that. And you can also clean these vinyl portions, and you can apply the polish in those areas as well. So ensure you've removed all the dust before you apply this. So I'm just going to apply on the door as well. Evenly spread this. So I am going to give you a demo of the dashboard and one door only, but then you can do it for all your doors as well. Any place where there is rubber, vinyl, you can use this, and plastic as well. And once it is settled down, I will show you how to clean it. So now comes the easy part. You need to do this. So start buffing it or putting some pressure and start cleaning this, and you will see the difference once it is done. You can see all this here. So this is basically doing its job. So it's gone deep in and cleaning and also getting you the shine that you needed. So I'll come on the other side to clean that portion. So already there's a difference. If you see it, you can already start seeing the gloss, the shine, which was not there. Look at this quarter piece. This was faded, and now after using the dashboard polish, it started shining again. And this is the last door. And instantly, in no time, you can see the difference. It is very, very evident. It was faded, it was a little dull, and after using the dashboard polish, which is this, you can see all the doors shining now. You can see the dashboard shining. I will show you that as well. And we've also used this to clean the vinyl here. And if you wish to buy one of these, links in the description, and go check out. You can buy one of these. And yeah, it's been a good, fun, eventful, and a lovely day cleaning the car, and also enjoying cleaning the car.